Apple variety discovery. Unfortunately, this one has this branch of it. So I'm going now to use a secateur to cut it. Unfortunately, I cannot find my good one, my good secateur. So I have to use this rusty one. I've tried to sharpen it, hoping that this will actually work. Yeah, it worked. Now I'm going to use the Seal and Heal. This is the buyer's Arbrex Seal and Heal. It's a kind of polymer, I think. And what I will do now, I cover the tip of the cut in this material. To protect it against disease. Until the live part of the tree actually revive itself, and therefore the tree will be healthy. So I'll look around to see how it is on the other side. I may apply a little bit here. Yeah, that's it, that's enough. I don't want to do it too much.